Greetings, I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. We're the proud owners of DryTech Exteriors, your local and trusted family-owned Dayton roofing company.
Your roof stands as your home's primary defense, and at DryTech, we are dedicated to providing the services and products essential for the absolute maximum protection of your home. When you're unsure about the condition of your roof, call us for a no-cost roof inspection. We are here with your best interest in mind. Our commitment to honesty and integrity is unwavering, and you can trust that we will provide an accurate and honest assessment of your roof's condition.
Recognizing the significance of a proactive measure, we placed a strong emphasis on our extremely detailed process to determine your roof's specific needs. When you reach out to DryTech Exteriors, our cheerful and professional team will gather your information, schedule a convenient time, and provide you with a free roof inspection by one of our highly educated roofing experts. Your dedicated account manager will arrive promptly, conducting a comprehensive inspection of your roof structure and condition, and will provide on-site advice regarding your available options.
Assessing a roof's true condition based solely on its appearance can be challenging. Roof repairs or complete roof replacement can be financially significant for homeowners. Conducting regular roof inspections is a preventative measure to avoid costly repairs down the line. For prospective buyers, incorporating a roof inspection into the overall home inspection before purchasing is advisable. This allows them to factor in potential repairs when determining the total cost of the property. Likewise, existing homeowners are encouraged to schedule routine roof inspections as part of regular maintenance to uphold the roof's good condition. Be proactive. Don't wait until you have wet drywall to assess your roof's condition.
Choosing DryTech Exteriors is a decision backed by a proven track record, voted Best of Dayton, the next door neighborhood favorite, and honored with the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award. It's obvious why we are Dayton's most decorated roofing company. We have even achieved Owens Corning Platinum Preferred status, ranking us in the top 1% of roofers in the whole country for customer satisfaction, quality, and financial stability. Our abundance of 5-star reviews reflect the trust placed in us by the Dayton community. We invite you to call today or inquire on our website to experience the DryTech difference. We are here to cover all of your Dayton residential and commercial roof inspection needs.